Hello everyone, thank you for joining in and welcome to my channel, and thank you for all your support. I hit 100 subscriber recently. Thank you. So today I'll talk about some basic shape doodle. Yes, so I already made some videos related to that but never done the voiceover, so here it is, and many of you asked it. So yeah, for shape doodle you need a shapes and some elements. Whatever the elements you want, you can consider and add to the shapes. So there are two types of shapes. One is geometrical and one is organic. So if you want to use your own imagination, you can come up with your own shapes also, or you can use the basic shapes like triangle, square, circle, star, cloud, any basic shape. And here I'm also giving you some shapes examples. So these are some new shapes which I come up right now. So you can just take a look and see if you want to take any from these. So do enjoy, and I'll come after when I'm done with the shapes. Thank you. So I hope you guys enjoy the shapes, and now the second step is to add element. So expression is the most common element used by every artist and a doodle or in art field. So you guys can have other elements also, but today I'll talk about the expressions. Just for the reminder, I already made out 2 videos on mouth and eyes where I shared 20 to 25 at least different types of eyes and mouth. You can check that out, and I also provide the link in the description box, so you can you can go and check out from there also. So now once you have your expressions, then what you have to do, simply take your shape and add those expressions like you can see in the video, like this. Now you can play with different shapes and try to add different types of expression. Even you can mix and match also, like you can take eyes from one face here and mouth from different shape. Yes, you can do like that also, and try to give some detailing to complete your shape. So here's a star, so you can see I added dot line just for the detailing, and highlight the area if you find something is good, and don't worry about the mistakes, you can always create another shape. Now the third element is to add hands and legs. So here are some examples for you guys. You can just take a look and just choose which one you want to take and add it. Okay, now just start again with the shape, add expression whatever you like it, you can take from the video also, and now add hands and legs. So you will see you have a cute doodle now. You have a complete doodle. Now the detailing is left. We'll do that later or maybe in some other video. Today my motive is to make you understand how you can make these start your own shape doodle. Okay, and if you like this video, do let me know in the comment section, and if you want to more such videos, do let me know. So here is one more. I'll make one final piece also. So yeah, you can just use straight line and a dot to represent the hands and legs. Yes, like this. And yes, always give a finished look to your shape so that it become a final piece. It don't look like a messy one. So this is your first step, this is your second step, now this is your third step, now this is your 4, and this is your 5. Now we'll see how we can combine all together and become a one piece. So this is the one shape which I have taken. So I'm just giving some highlight and bold some lines to make it look complete. Now the expression and the hands and legs, you can see how it is look. So you can just try with anything.